Chilly evening here in Abu Dhabi. And the screen says, let's play.
The circle. Oh, but a swing, wayward shot, beaten.
A similar area, similar result. Brilliant, absolutely top delivery from Taskeen. The one that just nips back in. But because of that inside edge, it has found the fence. The Knight Riders up and running.
This is just unbelievable. What a delivery. Nipped back and inside edge. And this is very normal in this format. It's okay. Bowlers are used to it nowadays. Again, the length has been exceptional so far from Tashkent. The first 4 deliveries with reasonable pace.
Lapped away, but straight to the fielder. Up in the air, catches the call. Can the sweeper get there? Oh, lands. Oh, he has taken it. Adil Rashid caught me by surprise as well. Made room for the sweeper and eventually hung on. Now that is a fantastic catch with the ball swirling around.
Perfect start for Warriors, and what a catch by Adil Rashid. He surprised us all with that catch. I thought he's gonna land in no man's land, but again, body, bat was nowhere near the ball. And look at him, there was a fielder coming from extra cover, it was the boundary. Kept his eyes on the ball. Here we go, brilliant. Superb effort by Adil Rashid, and the first wicket for Warriors. Phil Salt departs for 4. And Knight Riders 4 for 1.
This is a great start from the Warriors. It's a better line. It was Ethan D'Souza. Spring in his step. He's a gun fielder. Full straight. Has that swung too much, or was there a touch of bat on that? Well, in a delayed reaction from Martin Saggers, he's been given.
That too against a new batter, where the ball is swinging in the air. Beautiful action. Let's have a look. Here we go. Front foot came, bat came later. He was too late. The late swing did that trick there for Wasim Akram. He's got his first wicket in this game. And what a breakthrough for him and for his team. Warriors are back in the game. McMullen departs for 0, 6 for 2 now. Knight Riders struggling.
That's spanked away. Short, wide, and Hales gets up his first boundary. It is also the big ticket 4, tournament 4, 537. Play big and dream bigger.
Yeah, do not bowl to Alex Hales there. Don't give him width at all. Tashkent will obviously experience. He'll probably come back to the back of a length, just middle off.
That's another one. Ethan D'Souza has taken a blinder. That's come low, that's come quick, and he has grasped that.
What a start from the big man Tashkent. Second wicket, that too of an informed batter, Alex Hales. Knight Riders on the back foot straight away. Let's have a look at that tremendous catch on the up in the air. He was there. What a catch. Easy. He's a gun fielder. Second wicket for Tashkent. Now Warriors are back big time in this game. Alex Hales departs now for 5. Now Knight Riders are in trouble. 10 for 3.
What a start. Phenomenal from the Warriors in a much needed win that they need. And Taskeen Ahmed started his first over with a few outswingers, then adjusted his line to bring it back into Phil Salt.
Waiting.
One of the things that has worked for the Sharjah Warriors is Taskeen Ahmed's inclusion.
Perfect line.
play and a miss. And on one occasion, don't change things up for the sake of just doing it. Catch and taken! That is absolute chaos for the home side, but elevation and elation all around for the Warriors. They've got ADKR 4 down.
I think it was change of pace. Very sensible, clever bowling from young Wasim. We'll have a look in the replay. Good catch by TKC in a slip cordon. But second wicket for Wasim. Let's have a look. You can see. Yes, it was scrambled scene. Slightly slow ball. Went across, top edge. Straight to the slip fielder. Second wicket for Wasim. Big excited and rightly so. Now then, Knight Riders are in big trouble. 10 for 4.
And Jason Holder might just be scratching his head as to why he won the toss and decided to bat. 4 overs in, ADKR 10 for 4.
I've been a big admirer of Tasking Ahmed in this tournament. Not looking good at all. That's looking good. That is a lovely shot from Alishan Sharafu. He's off the mark and it's taken him 6 balls.
Really like the disciplines from the bowlers. They have kept things tight and followed up by excellent fielding, good catching. This was a really good shot, right on top of the bounce. Had a very little room. And new ball, we always knew that because of the sprinkling of water, might just do a little bit. All got out.
Bowled. Well bowled.
Tumbling left, right, centre.
Oh, there's that man.
Don't give room, that's good idea. That's another very, very fine delivery.
Gone airborne, and that will do nicely for Sharafu. Knight Riders need everything they can. 18 for 4, 5 gone. A little bit pitched up from Taskin, and he's paid the price for that full delivery. Sharafu backing himself to go airborne over mid-off. Looking for the swinging ball.
That's not fair that he should just get that. In the air it was for a bit, but it was hit hard. Came in a bit early for his liking. He's a kind of batter who likes to bat when there are 10, 12 overs remaining. He was early, so he can be dangerous. If he gets going and he's got plenty of overs remaining, he can really take them out of trouble.
Ooh, missed out. The full toss was aiming straight at middle stump. The power play is done. It's 28 for 4, the Knight Riders.